The tech world just shifted on its axis, and for the first time in a decade, the laptop killer isn't just a marketing buzzword, it's a reality sitting in a supply chain leak. Samsung is about to release the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. And the specifications we are seeing aren't just an incremental upgrade. They are a declaration of war. We are talking about a device that officially kills the notch, introduces a chassis material stronger than steel, and packs more RAM than most professional-grade workstations. By the end of this video, you'll understand why the iPad Pro is finally in serious trouble, and why your next computer might actually be a tablet. Stick around, because we're diving into the exclusive leaks that Samsung didn't want you to see until unpacked. You're watching Tap Tech, and today, we are breaking down everything we know about the upcoming beast, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. For years, the tablet market has felt like a two-horse race where one horse was clearly leading. But as we move into the latter half of 2026, Samsung is changing the rules of the game. Let's start with the thing you'll be staring at for 8 hours a day: the display. For the last few generations, the Ultra series has been plagued by that tiny, albeit annoying, notch housing the front-facing cameras. Well, the leaks are unanimous. The notch is dead. Samsung is debuting the Under-Display Camera 2.0 on the S12 Ultra. This isn't the blurry, pixelated mess we saw on early foldables. This is a 14.6-inch seamless canvas of pure Tandem OLED technology. What does Tandem OLED mean for you? It's 2 layers of organic light-emitting diodes stacked on top of each other. This doubles the brightness while significantly extending the lifespan of the panel. We are looking at a peak brightness of a staggering 3,000 nits. To put that in perspective, you could use this tablet on a beach in the middle of a July afternoon and still see every detail of a 4K HDR movie. With a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate that can scale down to 1 Hz to save battery, this is, without exaggeration, the finest display ever put on a mobile device. But a pretty screen is useless if the frame feels flimsy. In 2026, Samsung is moving to a Grade 5 titanium chassis. This is a massive shift from the armor aluminum used previously. Titanium isn't just about the premium feel, it's about structural integrity. For a device this large and this thin, rumored to be just 5.0 millimeters, rigidity is everything. This prevents the bending issues that have haunted ultra-thin tablets in the past. It feels denser, more professional, and most importantly, it's significantly more scratch-resistant. When you pick up the S12 Ultra, it won't feel like a gadget. It will feel like a piece of industrial art. To complement this visual and physical overhaul, Samsung is reportedly re-engineering the audio experience from the ground up. We are looking at an enhanced quad speaker system that delivers 40% more bass than the previous generation. This cinematic audio quality is specifically tuned by AKG to provide an immersive soundstage without needing external speakers. Whether you're editing a cinematic vlog or watching an action blockbuster, the spatial depth of these speakers will make a noticeable difference in how you consume media on the go. Now, let's talk about the brain of the beast. For the S12 Ultra, Samsung is returning to its roots with a customized Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 for Galaxy. The benchmarks for this chip are, quite frankly, terrifying. We are seeing single-core scores that rival the M-series silicon from Apple. But where Samsung is winning is in the NPU, the Neural Processing Unit. Why does the NPU matter? Because 2026 is the year of neural decks. Samsung is rebuilding its desktop interface from the ground up to be powered by on-device AI. Imagine a multitasking experience where the tablet anticipates which windows you need open based on your workflow. If you're a video editor, the S12 Ultra will automatically allocate resources from its insane 24 GB RAM configuration to render your 8K footage in the background while you browse the web without a single frame drop. Yes, 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM on the top-tier model. That is more memory than the base model MacBook Pro. This isn't just for opening apps faster. It's for a future where your tablet runs full-scale Linux containers and desktop-class creative suites without breaking a sweat. Connectivity is also getting a massive overhaul. The S12 Ultra will be among the first wave of devices to fully support Wi-Fi 7 across all regions. If you have a compatible router, you're looking at speeds that make traditional Ethernet cables look like dial-up. For the pros on the go, the 5G modem is more efficient than ever, ensuring that Neural DeX stays connected to the cloud with near-zero latency. And what about the tool that defines the Galaxy Tab? The S Pen. For the S12 Ultra, we are expecting the S Pen Pro 3. The big rumor here is localized haptic feedback. Imagine drawing on a screen and actually feeling the grit of a pencil on paper or the drag of a fountain pen. Through micro-vibrations in the pen tip itself, Samsung is attempting to bridge the gap between digital and analog art. It still charges magnetically on the back, but the magnets are reportedly 30% stronger, so you won't find your stylus at the bottom of your bag every time you move the tablet. Beyond the stylus, the cameras are getting a subtle but vital upgrade. The dual 12-megapixel under-display cameras will now support 4K video at 60 frames per second with AI-enhanced auto-framing. This is huge for professional Zoom calls or creators using the tablet for a quick face cam setup. With skin tone optimization and background noise suppression, the hardware is finally catching up to the software's ambition. Battery life has always been the Achilles heel of giant, high-performance tablets. The S12 Ultra is rumored to house an 11,600 mAh battery. But the real story is the charging speed. After years of being stuck at 45W, Samsung is finally stepping up to 80W ultra-fast charging. We're talking 0 to 50% in about 20 minutes. For a battery of this size, that is a game changer. You can plug it in while you grab a coffee and have enough juice to last through a transatlantic flight. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the price. Innovation of this level doesn't come cheap. In the US market, we expect the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra to start at $1,299 for the 256GB model, with the Workstation 24GB RAM and 2TB storage model pushing closer to $1,900. It's a premium price for a premium audience, but when you consider that this replaces both a tablet and a high-end laptop, the value proposition starts to make sense. As we look toward the release, the hype is reaching a fever pitch. Samsung isn't just making another tablet. They are trying to redefine what mobile computing looks like for the next decade. They are betting on titanium, AI-driven multitasking, and the best display technology on the planet to finally dethrone the competition. If you've been waiting for a reason to switch to the Android ecosystem, or if you're a Galaxy loyalist looking for the ultimate upgrade, the S12 Ultra is shaping up to be the legendary device we've been waiting for. The laptop is dead narrative has been around for a long time, but with 24GB of RAM and a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, it might finally be time to attend the funeral. Thank you for tuning in to TapTech. We'll be keeping a close eye on the supply chain and bringing you every update as it breaks. If you found this deep dive helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us keep bringing you the latest in premium tech news. Before you go, I want to hear from you in the comments. Is 14.6 inches too big for a tablet, or is it the perfect size for a laptop replacement? And would you actually pay for that 24GB RAM model, or is that just overkill for your workflow? Let's get a conversation going below. This has been TapTech, keeping you ahead of the curve. We'll see you in the next one.